How to fix forbidden error message on Ticketmaster. If you are trying to use Ticketmaster but you are receiving the forbidden 403 error, then here's how you can resolve the issue. Make sure that the device that you're using is connected to a stable internet, and then go to the search box and type in ticketmaster.com and try logging into your account. If it still doesn't work, then the next thing to do is to clear out your browser's cache. Click the 3 menu button appearing at the top right hand corner from your web browser and click Settings. From the Settings tab, click on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, click on Clear Browsing Data and then select between Basic and Advanced. Select the time range you would like to delete the data from, and then check these 2 boxes where it says Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Make sure to uncheck all of the other boxes and then click on Clear Data. Soon after you are done with it, you can go back to Ticketmaster and refresh your page. If the problem still persists, then toggle off, disconnect if you are using any VPN on your computer. Once you are done with the disconnection of the VPN, go back to the web browser and refresh your website again. Doing so might help you fix the issue immediately. Go ahead and sign into your existing account and see if that works. After you do that, you might be able to fix your forbidden issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing you can do is to try using a different web browser. Open up a different web browser from that one that you were previously using, and then go to the URL box and type in the official URL for Ticketmaster and try logging into your account. Sometimes your problem might be related to the browser that you're using, so in that case, using a different web browser might solve the issue. If you're using any browser extensions, then make sure to disable them, since some browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. After following all of these prompts, you might be able to fix your Ticketmaster forbidden issue. That is it for today. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more videos like this. Goodbye till then.